In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Apple Pay with your ANZ Bank app. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this video, you'll have your card conveniently ready to use in your Apple Wallet. Before we begin, please ensure you've already registered and logged into your ANZ Bank app. That's a crucial first step for this process to work seamlessly. Let's get started. First, you'll need to download the ANZ app from the App Store. If you haven't done so yet, head over to your App Store, search for the ANZ app and install it on your device. Once the download is complete, there'll be a few registration sections for you to fill out. Complete these sections accurately to ensure everything goes smoothly later on. Now that you've registered with the app, open it and you'll notice several icons and options on the screen. Look towards the top right corner and find the card icon. It's pretty easy to spot. Go ahead and tap on that icon. This section allows you to manage various features related to your ANZ cards. Next, within this card section, you will see an option labeled Set up Apple Pay. Tap on that and you'll be prompted to proceed with adding your card to your Apple Wallet. Follow the on-screen instructions and tap on Add to Apple Wallet when it appears. During this step, you may be asked to verify your card details if prompted. This is just another layer of security to protect your information. After initiating this process, it's important to read through the terms and conditions presented to you. While it might be tempting to skip over this, taking a moment to familiarize yourself with these terms ensures you're fully aware of the formalities involved. Once you've agreed to the terms and conditions, the app works its magic and automatically makes your card available in your Apple Wallet. Now your card is set to go, and you'll have seamless access when you need to make a payment using Apple Pay. Congratulations! You've successfully set up Apple Pay with your ANZ Bank app. The convenience of having your card in your Apple Wallet means you can make quick and secure payments anywhere Apple Pay is accepted. Enjoy the newfound ease of managing your payments, and don't hesitate to explore other features in the ANZ app to enhance your banking experience. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more guides just like this one.